Hi, my name is Danny and I'm going to show you my monster truck collection. First, we have Prowler.
Cool.
Next, we have the Silver Gravedigger. Now we have the regular Gravedigger. We have Shark Wreck. Well, this one's not really a monster truck, it's just a made-up one. This one is Airborne Ranger. This one is Bounty Hunter. This one is Nitro Circus.
Nice.
This one is World Finals. This one is Stone Crusher. And this one is Maximum Destruction. And I have some tattoos. One for Prowler. One for Maximum Destruction. And one for Covered Crasher, but he's actually missing right now. And I think he's another made-up truck. Well, that's the end of my monster truck collection. Thank you for watching.